9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, hiyaw pa! Isang beses pa! Hip! Hip hip! Hooray! So, thank you very much, Apo Mayor, for that invigorating and touching message to each and everyone. Hope that each and every one of us actualizes the message of our municipal mayor and our vice mayor. And we would like also to say thank you very much, Apo Mayor, for that effort, seeking for the funds, for the benefits and welfare of our municipality. Let us continue to give service. Let us serve to the best we can. And let us share the spirit of Christmas, not only to our family, not only to our friends, but to the whole community. Thank you very much. And we have one more here to engage us with some activity. May we call our GSO in partner with the MDRM, Mr. Jonas Bustamante and Mr. Simeon Mundata. O baka watsay ibagatsa ang aton tuo. Sa iyo ganun po nga. Ayan.